struggle with light-sensitive issues. These masks block out light, creating a dark environment that promotes better sleep. Some models are also designed to be heated or cooled, providing additional therapeutic benefits. 11. Smart thermostats. The temperature of your bedroom can have a significant impact on the quality of your sleep. Smart thermostats allow you to control the temperature of your room remotely, so you can set the perfect temperature for a comfortable night's sleep. Some models even offer sleep modes that automatically adjust the temperature based on your sleeping patterns. 12. Blue light blocking glasses. The blue light emitted by electronic devices like smartphones and laptops can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Blue light blocking glasses can filter out this light, allowing your body to produce melatonin and prepare for sleep. These glasses are a convenient and affordable way to improve your sleep quality without changing your nighttime routine. 13. Relaxation apps. There are many relaxation apps available that can help you unwind and fall asleep faster. These apps offer a variety of guided meditations, breathing exercises, and ambient sounds to help you relax and reduce stress. Some apps even use the latest in neuroscience research to create customized relaxation programs based on your goals and needs. 14. Smart pillows. Smart pillows use sensors to monitor your head and neck position, providing real-time feedback to help you adjust your posture for optimal comfort and support. Some models even offer built-in speakers so you can listen to soothing sounds or music for an even more relaxing sleep experience. 15. Wake-up lights. Wake-up lights simulate a natural sunrise, gradually increasing in brightness to wake you up gently and naturally. These lights can help regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up at the same time each day. Some models even offer customizable colors and settings for a personalized wake-up experience. 16. Sleep supplements. In addition to traditional sleep aids, many supplements can help improve sleep quality naturally. These include chamomile tea, magnesium supplements, and CBD oil, which have all been shown to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. Always consult with your doctor before adding new supplements to your daily routine. 17. Smart curtains. Blackout curtains can help block out unwanted light, but they can be a hassle to open and close manually. Smart curtains allow you to control your curtains remotely, so you can sleep in complete darkness without ever leaving your bed. Some models even work with voice-activated assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for added convenience. 18. Massage devices. Massage devices like handheld massagers or massage mats can help relieve muscle tension and can promote relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. These devices use a variety of techniques like heat therapy, vibration, and shiatsu massage to provide a customized massage experience. 19. Essential oil diffusers. Using essential oils like lavender or chamomile can help promote relaxation and reduce stress, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Essential oil diffusers create a calming atmosphere by releasing a fine mist of essential oils into the air. Some models even offer light therapy options for added relaxation benefits. 20. Smartwatches. Smartwatches can help track your sleep patterns, providing insight into how long you sleep, how much deep sleep you get, and how often you wake up during the night. Some models even offer customized sleeping tips and techniques to help you optimize your sleep hygiene habits. Improved sleep quality can have a significant impact on your overall health and well being.